Oriental Mindoro 2025, Richelle Hongo. How are you, Richelle?
I'm good. I am very happy to be here tonight.
Okay, so what are your preparations for the upcoming Miss Universe? I believe that the official press conference of the Miss Universe Philippines 2025 will be on February 15. So what are your preparations?
Oh my God, it's quite hard for me to prepare physically, emotionally, but I've been still preparing on it. Because I wanna come ready. Kasi gusto ko ipakita ang ganda, galing, at talento na meron ko ang Pilipinos.
Okay, so Michelle, what would you like to say to all your 1.4 million followers in Facebook and 1.2 followers in TikTok who are still and really rooting for you and supporting you?
You know what, Kuya? And to the people who's following on my socials, I was truly